Today on Made to Hack, I bumble around like an idiot. In the lush pine forests of Europe, when the spring rain has been just right and the soil conditions optimal, the intrepid forager comes upon a treasured find. The cemented carbide fruit of the Sandvicus evergreen tree. These beautiful and rare fruits are carefully peeled and their stems removed. They are then put away until needed. Another carefully picked element is chosen for this project: the humble and down-to-earth cold roll steel tube. The perfect companion, flexible yet sturdy. Don't mind the continuity gap here, there's more of this to come. Yep, another completely random continuity fizzle. Way to aim for that cinematography prize. What's this? Another random jump cut with no explanation? Way to go there, Scorsese. How much steel would a steel scrape scrape if a steel scrape could scrape steel?
How much steel would a steel scrape scrape if a steel scrape could scrape steel?
How much steel would a steel scrape scrape if a steel scrape could scrape steel? How much steel would a steel scrape scrape if a steel scrape could scrape steel?
I'd just like to take a moment to thank Emma Ritson for once again hosting Emma's Spareroom toolmaking competition for another year, and good luck to everyone who entered.